Now, this is how you can continue with the Pages document in OneNote on the iPad. Let's get started. So, as you can tell, we have the Pages document that we are working on, but how can you just continue with it inside of the OneNote, right? So, it is pretty simple because once you are done, what you can do is to click on the share icon, and in there, make sure you are not sharing just the invitation to collaborate, but actual copy of that document. And from the available apps, if you have the OneNote installed, you should be able to find it and then click on it, and it should allow you to just move over that finished document and save it within the OneNote, right? So that is one option, of course. But what you can do as well is to not just go directly to OneNote, but actually export it in one of the available formats. So it might be in Word or PDF, right? PDF should work with most of the editing like apps and stuff. So export it in PDF, and then that exported PDF can be opened within OneNote application. So that's pretty useful too, right? Or try a different format, whatever you like, but that's how you can do this. Of course, if you just want to like write notes on it or whatever and have it as an image, taking a screenshot and saving it into your notes would work as well, but it's probably not the best solution. So this is everything that just crossed my mind around this topic. Let me know below in the comments what you think about it. But for now, that's gonna be about it. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll see you in the future tutorials.